Most people lose power in conversations and don't even realize it. Not because they're wrong, but because they start explaining too much. The moment you rush to justify yourself, you hand the other person control. In every interaction, someone sets the frame: what matters, what's true, what's normal. If it's not you, it's them. Today, you learn how to keep your frame without raising your voice. Silence is uncomfortable, and that's exactly why it's powerful. Most people panic in silence. They rush to fill it. They overtalk. They overshare. They weaken their own position. You don't need to win every moment with words. Sometimes the strongest move is to pause and look steady. When challenged, don't rush. Breathe, hold eye contact, let them keep talking. You'll be shocked how often people talk themselves into backing down. Silence isn't aggression, it's composure under pressure. Over-explaining makes you look unsure even when you're right. There's a trap people fall into. They feel they must justify every decision. But confident people don't over-defend simple choices. Instead of long explanations, try short clarity. I've decided. That works for me. I'm not changing it. Calm. Neutral. Final. You're not being rude, you're being grounded. The more you defend every move, the more others feel invited to challenge every move. Not every question deserves a courtroom defense. The moment you stop chasing approval, people feel your value. Desperation is loud. Self-respect is quiet. Whether it's friendships, dating, or opportunities, don't act like you need to be picked at any cost. Flip the mindset. You're not begging to be accepted. You're deciding what fits your standards. That shift changes your tone, your posture, your patience. You ask better questions. You walk away easier. You look more centered. And people respond to that instantly. Next time you feel pressure to explain yourself fast, pause instead. Slow down. Answer simply. Stay steady. Power isn't loud. It's controlled. And when you can hold your ground calmly, you control the frame. If you want more psychological strategy like this, subscribe. Next video goes deeper.